To add a question page to your Moodle lesson, it starts off pretty much the same as when you added a content page. We are here in the screen where we can edit our lesson, and we go over again to the action section over here on the right and go to this drop-down menu where it asks, gives me some options to add different kinds of pages just like it did before. I'm going to add a question page. This takes me to a screen where I select which type of question type I want to ask. So there's an essay, matching, multiple choice, numerical, short answer, and true and false questions. The essay question is one that you have to manually grade yourself, and the other ones you enter the answers so they're graded automatically. I'm going to start by doing a multiple choice question. So I select that and add a question page. Takes me to this page. Just like on your content page, you're going to give your page a title. Under page contents is where you're going to add what your question is. So I'm just going to type it, but you can also do it in the form of a video or a recording or something like that as well. For answers 1, answer 2, answer 3, 4, and 5, that's where you write your the options to answer the multiple choice question. So if I ask the question, how many libraries are there at the College of Worcester? Answer 1 might be 1, which is incorrect. So I'm going to say this is incorrect. You can add anything else here as well, anything you'd want to say to a student who chose this answer. Because it's incorrect, I'm not going to give it a score of 1. I'll give it a score of 0, and I'll have them stay on this page. For answer 2, I might say 2 libraries, which is also technically incorrect. I could give more of a bit of an explanation. If I wanted as well, I'll keep that score as a 0. For the correct answer, so there are 3 libraries, I'm going to say this is correct and give them a score of 1 because it is the correct answer, and I'll save the page. This will take me back to the editing page. As you see now, I have my 2 content pages I made and then my first question page. So if I want to see what this looks like, I can go to preview. Here's my first page. That was just content. I'll click next. This is the second page of content with the video. I'll click next to move on. And then here's my first question page. I can answer. So if I choose the correct answer and submit, it says this is your answer, and my response is continue. So if I just go back and I click an incorrect answer, so say I do 2 libraries, which is not correct, and submit, it says this is incorrect, blah, blah, blah. And I can either choose to try again or just go on to the next question.